Alright, so we're going to want to go ahead and find our vents that go into the crawl space here around your house. This one happens to be right here, so we're going to want to go ahead and shut that. Oh, mind the semi.
And in the summer, the air you want to go in for the airflow, and then in the winter you want it to stay out. Also, the snow can get pretty high, so you don't want any moisture to get in there either, So our next task is to check all of the crawl space vents. And since Malachi sees these spider webs,
I don't want
doesn't
any
like
part of it.
spiders, stick this tack up.
So basically you just want to close, put some insulation up over the top of that vent after it's closed so that no cold air can come through into your crawl space throughout the winter. So another thing you're going to want to do while we're down here in the crawl space is just make sure there's no standing water, you don't have any water leaks or anything like that. So we kind of looked around and looked where the supply lines came in, and there was no standing water. So
everything looks good.
Crawl space is in good shape. Alright guys, so we wanted to show you basically what it looks like when you do have a really bad crack throughout your foundation. So as you can kind of see here, there is a big crack coming through this foundation. You can actually see daylight coming through there. So this is a pretty serious crack in your foundation. You're going to want to get that fixed right away, either caulk it yourself or maybe have a professional come in and get that fixed for you, because that's a major issue.